Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Steam. While launching the Steam, you got an error, failed to load steamui.dll, fatal error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. There are two simple fixes for it. First of all, right click on start menu, choose option run. Type here steam // flush config and then hit the enter key. This will go ahead and flush the configuration of the Steam and in turn help you fix out the issue. After flushing the DNS, you can see the Steam will launch automatically and in turn help you fix out the issue. However, if this failed to work out, first of all make sure that Steam must be closed even from your system tray icon. Now once you have made sure that Steam is not running, you need to head over to this PC, C drive, program files x86 and here you will find a folder with the name Steam. Open it. From here, you need to select all the folders and files present over here by pressing the Ctrl+A key. After that, find a file with the name Steam Apps. Uncheck this particular folder because all your games are installed in the folder with the name Steam Apps. So make sure you must uncheck the folder Steam Apps and then select all the files and folders present in this Steam folder, right click and choose option delete. Once you have deleted all the files and folders, go ahead and relaunch the Steam and hopefully this will fix out the issue for you. And if this method also failed to work out, in next step, I have a data, get this data from the description of this video, copy and paste in a notepad file like I have done right over here. Then click on the file menu, choose option save as, select the path as desktop and in the file name, give it a name steamfix.bat and in save as type, make sure you choose the option all files. Once you have done so, click on the option save. Now here is the Steam fix that we have just created. Simply right click on this folder and choose the option run as administrator. This will go ahead and launch the Steam, clear out all the folders that are corrupted in your PC and in turn fix out the issue of Steam UI.dll fatal error. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.